I have my worksheet open here in Kami. And again, this could be anything. It could be a short story. It could be a labeling worksheet. Could be a question and answer where teachers have asked you to show your work or to explain your work. There's lots of different options. But here on the side, there are some selection or some options. This is our select tool where you can choose anything that's been annotated out here. There is a dictionary tool where if we highlight a word, it gives us a definition, which is very handy. There's also a text-to-speech tool where I can highlight and then have it read the text.
Wings and most can fly. Directions, read the riddle. Name each bird part.
I can also then adjust the voice or the speed in which it reads. The markup tool here allows me to highlight text or strike through or create a box. So I can create shapes with colors. The comment box allows me to place a text comment here. A voice comment where I can record my own voice. You can allow the microphone. This is the beak of the bird. And it will add a voice comment, which is a very handy feature. Teachers may ask you to explain your work using the voice comment button. There's also a video comment, which works very similar to the voice comment, except for it would open your camera and you would be on camera. And then a screen capture tool in which you can explain and capture yourself talking or working on top of the sheet. There's also the text box tool in which I can create a text box or just click in the document and begin typing. I can adjust the size just like any other text with the size tool. I can move that around and place it where I'd like. There's also an equation tool here if you are doing particular equations or working on math things. And something a lot of people are going to use is the drawing tool, where I can come in and I can actually do handwriting then myself if I want to. So I could use my mouse or I could use my stylus and I could actually write, or I could switch colors and do any kind of labeling or coloring that way. I have a shapes tool, which comes in handy, and then I can change the colors of those shapes. And then lastly, I've got an eraser where I can erase all the different things I've written or different shapes, or I can come in here and I can scribble out individually as I click and hold different things that I've written. So there's lots of very useful tools here for Kami. Again, when you're done or you've completed that, you can use the turn in button. It does auto save. So if I leave this, let's say I close this, and I come back to my worksheet, you should still see those changes there. So that's using Kami and its tools.